Model, 2020 Peugeot Boxer 435 Pro L4H2 Bluehdi. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 0. MOT, 29 June 2024. Engine, 2179 cc DW12 Bluehdi 140. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, non-runner, the engine has been stripped and is in the back would be better off, putting a replacement engine straight back into it grin. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features, 1 former keeper, cruise control, electric windows, air con, parking sensors. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £8,350. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.